We're back down in the basement with the tractors again tonight. Got the 8N, the Allis-Chalmers CA, John Deere G, and the 1910. Through trial and error, we have found out the O-rings that came with the sleeves are a little bit too big. I don't know if you can see the difference or not. That's the orange one is the one that came with the sleeve. The black one is the one I just ordered replacements from Messick's Farm Equipment in Pennsylvania. And the black O-rings fit much better. They look much better. They're about 25 thousandths smaller than the orange ones. So I've already preloaded this with the two green ones, or the two black ones. I am going to try to single-handedly put that down in the bore. There is almost down. Only needs to go down a little bit more. So I'm going to get a hammer and tap it. See if I can catch this on the video without losing the camera down in the bore. Just going to set this on top of there. That is in. That is the way it should go. Now my question is, did the O-ring stay in one piece or did it shear? And it looks like, from what I can see down in there, I don't see any O-ring pieces laying at all. The bore looks good. I've already took the piston and put down in the sleeves to make sure the sleeves were right for it, but everything looks okay. That looks really good down there, so I am going to go ahead, try to put the other two in, and then put the pistons back in. See the crankshaft down there. I want to put the piston back in with the connecting rods. I'm going to try to put number 2 and number 1 in, and hopefully get the pistons in tonight.